Some CCTV showing you driving like a knob. Section 59 road traffic, which basically means that if I see you twice doing it, and the bike's coming with that.
Officer.
Do you want to put your helmet up so I can see your face a minute? And your mouth down. What's your name for me? Is it Lewis?
Fully road legal.
Where's your number plate?
Fell off.
Fell off? Well, what's registration then?
AY23BGE.
So why are you not getting the registration on it?
Fell off.
Then when did it fall off?
Only earlier.
What, today?
Yeah.
Okay. If you've got proof you've got insurance, happy days. People obviously think like you're a scrambler bike. I'll check it over with my colleagues. November 1316 control. I'm in company of the rider and the bike now. Can I pass you a reg just to run through, please? Alpha Yankee 23 Bravo Delta Echo. No, you need a proper L to be underneath. That won't be road legal having that L like that. A proper white back in. 1316 control. The chap's DL, can you just run him through? I just want to see what category he's got, if he can have this moped or not. While I've come and seen you, what's your date of birth? Yeah, it's a 125. That's till November, yeah? That's perfect, thank you. Yes, it's fine. So you've done a CBT, you've got up to 125. That plate obviously is illegal, that needs to be sorted. £100 fine, I'm not having that fitted on your vehicle. The thing I want to talk to you about is your driving, manner of driving. CCTV showing you driving like a knob. I mean like a twat.
Don't do wheelies. I wish I could.
What? More than welcome to drive this round. I can't prove it's you, but I'm satisfied based on what I've watched it's likely to be you. Unless there's someone else who's riding this bike as well as you. Accept the words of advice, I'm not going to do anything about it. But if your driving continues in that manner, then I'll be looking to stick you on. Section 59 road traffic, which basically means that if I see you twice doing it, then the bike's coming with us. We'll continue to patrol, so if it happens again and we get more calls, then we'll be having a chat.